Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again, yeah. State your name, been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just flipped the pain. Stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most Cialis flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's in since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, I came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10, yeah.
Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. As you've seen, I just came back from the gym. I did a upper body workout because unfortunately here in the UK we're back into lockdown and today is literally the last day that we can go to the gym. So I thought I would take advantage of the fact that I am working from home from now onwards for, you know, the foreseeable month. And so I just went to the gym, had a really good workout, went still really early around 6:30, and yeah, it was really good. Whenever the gyms get back to being open, I would really suggest you do it as well, even though it is mainly with dumbbells, so I'm pretty sure you can do it at home if you have any weights there. But yeah, so today I just thought we would do a what I ate in a day video. As I said, to take advantage of the fact that I'm at home, so I have a little bit more time to film and show you what I eat every single day. So I'm going to stick to exactly what I would have done even if I did go to the office. And so I will eat all the meal prep that we did in one of the few videos ago. And yeah, it's going to be pretty, you know, normal. I will show you everything I do eat and maybe you can see something that you don't really have usually and you get inspired, I don't know. Anyhow, so I'm about to have some breakfast. As you've seen before my workout, I always have something fruity, so a banana and a coffee, just, you know, to wake up. So now I'm gonna have my second coffee of the day. Please don't judge me. And I'm going to have a crumpet with some bacon. Not necessarily the healthiest thing, but I really like it and I really fancy it. And yeah, so we shall just have some breakfast and then it's time to work.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Right, so I'm just going to start work. I'm watching a movie in the meantime that I'm waiting for work to start, and yeah, I'm just gonna have breakfast and then I will see you as soon as I have my mid-morning snack. Right, so it's mid-morning and I'm going to have this overpriced yogurt which has 20 grams of protein. It's absolutely not necessary, but yeah, if I am at the office, this is what I would have. So I'm just gonna eat them because I have them in the fridge and otherwise they're gonna go bad. But otherwise I will totally have some normal yogurt and I will just put a scoop of protein in it. But yeah, as I said, I'm just gonna have it because I bought it already. This is usually my mid-morning snack, which just about helps me get until lunchtime. So as I mentioned before the lockdown announcement, I already done all the meal prep. So obviously I'm going to eat all of this as if I was at the office. So here we have some sweet and sour chicken and some, I think it's like half a portion of rice from the pack. If you haven't seen my meal prep video, I will just put somewhere or down below in the description box, because that sweet and sour chicken is honestly, I think, the best one I've ever cooked, and it totally satisfies the craving for a takeaway, which I think is really important, you know, on a weekly basis, to have something that you fancy but without going all the way to necessarily buy every time. So yeah, I really like, I cannot wait to dig into it, because I really had it, I think it was either Monday or something like that, so I already tasted it and it's so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that, and we'll probably see you mid-afternoon for my second snack. Right, so I don't have much at home, I just realized, and this is basically what I would have brought to the office. So I'm going to have it just because, as I said, it has a little bit more protein, because I did work out this morning. I feel like I really need it. I went really hard on the weight. So yeah, I'm gonna have this, but I do fancy something more like fresh and nice and healthy, as in like natural, as opposed to this processed thing right here. So what I think I'm going to do is, basically, I have a few meetings right now, so I'm gonna eat that just so my stomach is full and I don't feel hungry, and then I'm going to go downstairs to Tesco for 3 seconds, get some fruit, and I think I'm going to do like a smoothie, and I'm gonna try find a recipe that is nice, but otherwise I'm just gonna do the typical berries and bananas and milk and things like that. So yeah, I just really fancy something fresh and nice and that tastes as healthy, as opposed to this, which is really nice. It does satisfy my chocolate cravings. I'm a very like chocolatey driven person, but after a while of chewing it, just I can tell how processed it is, which is not the best. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just gonna have it now because there is nothing else at home and I'm literally starving, and then we will do the smoothie. Right, so it has been a while since the last time I saw you. Sorry about the noise, my cat is playing with knows what. So yeah, I am going to now have dinner, which, as I said, is one of the recipes from the meal prep, and actually I think one of my favorite out of the 4 of them I did, which is a minced curry with coconut, squash and a few other things, and it's so good. So I'm gonna warm that up and warm up some rice with it and have that, and then I will probably have something sweet, and yeah, let me show you. So here you have it. As you can tell, it's not exactly the most aesthetically pleasing dish I ever seen, but it's honestly so good. So as I said, it has squash, a little bit of spinach, it had a kind of chopped tomato, so there's that, mild curry powder, coconut milk, and obviously mince. So if you haven't seen the recipe on my meal prep, I would really suggest you do it. Look who just woke up from his long nap. Hi! You're tired. Right, so it's quite late. It's about 9 p.m. and I had dinner and then I literally did not eat anything else. So I'm having now a bit of a chamomile just to settle my stomach because I'm feeling a bit, I don't know, I'm just a bit not nervous, I'm just like tense and anxious, and I don't know why, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I think if anything I might have literally a teaspoon of Nutella, like literally from the tub, and just have that. So yeah, this is everything I've eaten. It is quite a representative day of what I eat in a day, like, to be honest. from breakfast to the snacks to the lunches and dinners and everything else. This is pretty much what I eat every day. I do rotate between recipes of meal prep, but the calories and macros and all of that is literally the same. Quantity wise is the same. But yeah, this is literally it. And I really hope you liked it. I really hope that maybe it made you want to cook a few different recipes. He's trying to get my camera. Oi! Yeah, and I really hope that you like this kind of videos. I know it's not very exciting, but I literally couldn't do anything else today as I am working 9 till 6, so that kind of limits the amount of things I could do. But I'm so happy I got to go to the gym this morning because it was the last time before lockdown. And yeah, I hope you are not too lonely during the second lockdown. I think I am quite, blessed that I can spend it with my partner and my kitten, but I know that not everyone is in a ideal situation, especially to being close basically every day. So yeah, sending you my love and support and wish you all the best in that sense. I think tomorrow I will start doing something like a routine, so I'm going to be really strict and write down everything I want to do, and I'm going to be very disciplined and structured, because that's what helped me a lot last time we were in lockdown. So yeah, I think I'm going to write down everything and I'm actually going to share with you. So I'm going to do the typical walk in the morning just to get my 10,000 steps still in, and then schedule my training and everything be in line with still having to work 9 to 6 without a fault, obviously. And yeah, so I will probably do that. So that's probably going to be the next video. And then I'm thinking to do something like a challenge, like abs every day or something silly like that, just to keep motivated and do something every single day. So if you have any suggestion of what I could do of a challenge, and maybe I can do a live every day on Instagram or something like that doing the challenge, then yeah, just let me know, give me some ideas, and I will see which one I can do, just to make it fun and maybe people can join me or something. So yeah, this is everything. I really hope you have a nice day, or have had a nice day, depending on what time I will upload this tomorrow. And if you like it, then please don't forget to give a like to this video, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!